Hello my friend. In this video I will show you where to download and how to install Device Doctor for free and without viruses. At first go to the site. You can find the link to the site in the description under this video. Next, click download and wait until the archive with the program is loaded. Next, transfer and unzip the archive to your desktop or any other convenient place. Then open the folder with the program and run the file as shown in the video. After starting the program, go through all the steps of installing the program as shown in the video. When the installation is completed, you can run the program and get to work. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel.